In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ChatGPT on Outlook. By the end, you'll have ChatGPT available right inside your mailbox to help draft, refine, and summarize emails with just a prompt. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook, then click the official Outlook website result. This takes you to Outlook on the web. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign into your account so you can access your mailbox. Once Outlook is open, look toward the top of the page and find the small, square grid icon. It looks like a cluster of squares and opens Microsoft's App Launcher and related options. Click that, then choose Get Add-ins. This opens the Add-ins store, where you can add tools that extend Outlook's capabilities. In the Add-ins window, use the search bar and type ChatGPT Connector. When you see the ChatGPT Connector listing, select it, then click Add. If you're prompted to confirm, accept the permissions, so Outlook can install the add-in. The install only takes a moment. When it's done, the connector becomes available in your Outlook experience. From here, you can start using ChatGPT alongside your emails. You'll see the add-in from your message tools when you're reading or composing. Think of it as a writing assistant right where you need it. It can suggest drafts, tidy your tone, and help you rephrase text for clarity and professionalism. Keep your prompts clear and specific, and avoid sharing private or sensitive details in your requests. Let's walk through a quick example prompt you can use. Ask ChatGPT to draft a professional office email providing a project status update to the team leader, and ask it to sign the message with AI Mastery. The add-in will generate a structured, polite message with a clear update, and it will include the signature line you requested. If the first draft isn't quite right, refine your prompt to add context like deadlines, milestones, or blockers, and regenerate for a tighter fit. When you're happy with the result, simply copy the generated text and paste it into your email in Outlook. Give it a quick review to make sure the details are accurate and the tone matches your audience. Make any final tweaks, then send as usual. That's it. You searched for Outlook, opened the site, found Get Add-ins, added the ChatGPT connector, and you're now ready to create polished emails faster. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new AI-powered workflow in Outlook.